Ako po si Paulo Daet, Subway Operator ng LCC Legazpi. Nag-run po yung machine ng 6 days na may total of 27 meters. Printer head clean. Punas ng capping at wiper after head clean. Nozzle test. Ink system ay tama lang. Waste tank disposal every Wednesday. TBR po, naka 220 volts. Ito naman po yung inks namin. Sa left side po yung used and sa right side po yung unused. So dyan po muna nakalagay yung supply paper po namin. Consumable monitoring na sayang. Magenta, yellow, black, and yung supply paper po. Ito naman po yung daily output monitoring. Tapos po yung supply daily checklist.